Welcome to the demo of the 26B feature, Report Scrap Without Inspection Against a Flow Schedule, in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. With this feature, you can directly report scrap at the end of the production line, while completing a flow schedule without a predefined inspection plan, using the Complete with Details action. It addresses the need of manufacturers to report scrap against a flow schedule, without a predefined plan to mandate inspection of products that are manufactured on a production line. With a simple and efficient scrap reporting process for flow schedules, in cases where inspections are not mandated, users can capture scrap data without any process delays. Now let's walk through a short demo of this feature where we will see how you can report scrap against a flow schedule without a predefined inspection plan. First, we will log into the Work Execution Overview page. We will click on the Flow Schedules Execution action, select the production line, and navigate to the Flow Schedules page. Next, we will select a flow schedule, and click on the Complete with Details action to complete the flow schedule with scrap. Finally, we report scrap against the flow schedule. Here are the details of the data we would be using in the demo. We will see how scrap is reported against a flow schedule without a predefined inspection plan, at the end of a production line. With this, let's get into the demo. Being in the Work Execution work area, we will click on the Flow Schedules Execution action to navigate to the Flow Schedules page. Next, we will review the flow schedules for the desired production line. We will now report completion with scrap against a flow schedule by clicking on the Complete with Details button. As you can see here, we are navigated to the Product Details page, and it is here where we will report a scrap quantity. To report scrap, we will click on the Complete field, and reduce the defaulted quantity by the quantity that need to be reported as scrap. As you can see here, the quantity to scrap is automatically calculated, ensuring that the sum of the completed quantity and the scrapped quantity is equal to the flow schedule quantity. Also, as you can see, the scrap reason field is displayed to optionally specify a reason for scrapping. We will now select a scrap reason and continue with the transaction. Here are the materials that would be backflushed for the total quantity reported as completed and scrapped. With this, we will now submit the transaction. As you can see, the flow schedule completion with scrap has been successfully reported, and a toast message is displayed confirming the same. To summarize, with this feature, you can efficiently report scrap at the end of the production line, while completing a flow schedule without a predefined inspection plan, using the Complete with Details action. This concludes the feature demo. Thank you for watching.